Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Josh Stroschein, and welcome to my course, Malware Analysis, Identifying and Defeating Packing. I am an assistant professor at Dakota State University, where I teach malware analysis, reverse engineering, and software exploitation. I work as a senior malware analyst for Bromium, and am part of the training team and responsible for academic outreach for the Open Information Security Foundation's Suricata project. In this course, we are going to tackle malware packing head-on. Packing is a prevalent technique used by malware authors to hide, obfuscate, or otherwise complicate your ability to analyze the malware's code. Identifying and defeating packing is often the first step when analyzing any malicious file. Some of the major topics that we will cover include techniques and tools for analyzing malware and determining signs of packing, how to detect common packers with signatures, how to identify custom packers, and effective strategies for tracing through unpacking logic with reversing tools such as IDAPRO and an assembly-level debugger. We will also utilize real-world malware to study unique packing techniques and how to defeat them. Throughout this course, you will be able to follow along through comprehensive demonstrations and apply yourself through hands-on labs with real-world malware samples. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and skills necessary to defeat malware packing. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of reverse engineering and be comfortable with tools such as a disassembler and an assembly-level debugger. You should also be familiar with how to set up a safe malware analysis lab environment. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to defeat packing with malware analysis, identifying and defeating packing at Pluralsight.